Hello, this video is on section 3.3, which is titled Systems of Inequalities. This is the last one of the chapter, and the learning target is to solve systems of linear inequalities. And remember, whenever I use the word inequality, I want you to think of these following four symbols: greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. It's not an equal sign, so there's an inequality. This is exactly like section 2.8 that we talked about, where we are taking an equation, maybe y is less than x plus 4, graphing the line, picking the test point, figuring out what side of the line is true, whether it's on that test point or not, and then you shade that side. But this time we're going to be dealing with two equations, since it's dealing with a system of inequalities. So let's say, just for random example, you have your grid, and your two lines are just y equals x, and I don't know, let's say negative x plus 3, something like that. You would want to pick a test point somewhere off the line. I don't know, anywhere as long as it's not on the line. In this case, 0, 0 is on the line. Otherwise, that's what I would usually recommend, but not in this one specifically. And that's where you plug it into both of the inequalities to determine which side to shade. So if you plugged it into the equation for this line and found it out it was true, you would be shading the left side or the top side of this line. And when you plug it into this side and you find out that it's true, you would be shading the bottom side. So if both are true, you would shade the same side of both of the lines. So it would fall behind or underneath that line and to the left of this one. Now, if one was true and the other was false, it would depend on which side you would shade over here. But you'll get used to it the more examples we go through in practice. But just if you need a review, go back and watch the 2.8 video, and we're going to be going through the exact same process, but this time with two lines instead of just one. All right? Thank you very much.